Hello guys, I'm greeting you on our channel, my just viewers and my dear subscribers. Today I will help you get the biggest bonus, up to $515. And first of all, for this we need to download the application from the official site. I will leave the link in the pinned comment, and in the description you can find our actual promo code who help to get the maximum bonus. Next, after loading the application, we are going to the apps, and if you have an account, then log out of it. It's important for get the biggest bonus. Next, tap registration. In menu registration, you can see 4 variants. Right now I will choose by phone, but you can choose what do you want. Code of your current country, your current number, current value to US dollar. Enter the current promo code is ZANOS24. Accept all the rules and select your bonus. Accept all the rules. Tap on the all checkboxes and next tap on the green check mark, and after this you will see your actual login and password, and I recommend you to change it right now or screenshot this for pleasure, for didn't lose your big bonus. And next, go to our final step in account deposit menu. In this menu, in order to receive a bonus, you need to replenish the balance in any way convenient for you. Balance is replenished almost instantly. Guys, if you have any question, ask them in the comments. I will definitely answer them. If you want to support us and support our channel, if our video helped you, then subscribe on our channel, follow the link in the pinned comment and use our actual promo code. Thank you for watching, goodbye and good luck to all, have fun.